Disney Toys Review here. Today we have this really cool Hot Wheels track. Let's see how the cars go on it. Look at the princesses in the pool. Lightning McQueen and Sally are at the beach with their kids. The tunnel is so neat. Look at the construction trucks building away. Ooh, look at the teeth on that T-Rex. Now we can really get some speed racing down the ramp. Whoa, round and round and round and round we go. Jump! Woo, we finished. Right through the water. Whoosh! Wow! This motorcycle is amazing! Splash! Crossing a bridge. Wow, a tunnel. So fun. A T-Rex. Look at those mighty machines! Racing around! Look at the van! Down the ramp. Look, it's McQueen's family. I love this race car. That's so awesome. Woohoo! Yay! So amazing! Wow, racing Hot Wheels cars is so much fun! This is such a fun setup! Hurry! Jump! Yay! He escaped! Wow, it was so much fun watching these cars race along this track. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.